So, ikakat mo lang siya and then yung igigilid ko na itutupi-tupi mo lang pala ka lang nagre-regalo, sis. Hey loves, I'm back at it again with another video. For today's video guys, as you can see in the title, tayo ay gagawa ng another makeover. My latest video is about room makeover and sobrang maraming naka-appreciate ng video na yun. So thank you very much sa lahat ng nanood nun at naka-appreciate, nag-comment, nag-subscribe for that video. And for today's video guys, gawa na naman tayo ng room makeover. Sa mga hindi pa nakanood nun, make sure to watch it. I'll link it in the I button and as well as in the description so you can watch it. You cannot miss that room makeover. At sa mga nakanood na, napapansin nyo sa room makeover na yun, isang part lang ng room ko yung pinakita ko. And the reason why is because I will be providing another video which is this side. It's going to be the mini office makeover. Before I start this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video as well. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. So bago ko mag-start guys, I just wanna plug this earring. This one is hand-painted earrings by Neng on Instagram. Ito guys, personalized to. Like nagpagaya ko ng gusto kong design ng earring and she was able to pull it off. She gave me 3 different designs and yung dalawa doon design niya na and then yung isa pina-personalize ko. So I really love it. Like sobrang summery vibe niya. Medyo nahihilig ako sa earrings. So, super love this vibe. Like, okay, so let's start. Ganito yung itsura nung aking table. Bago ko pa siya i-room makeover. The table is from IKEA. Very minimalist siya, which I like. Ang daming available sizes na to, guys. Merong 120, 150, and 200 cm. So, kung gusto mo na mas mahaba, like, kunyari mas malaking setup, you can do that. So, ayan na po siya. And as you can see, ito parang in-improvise ko lang yan. Nabili ko lang itong kahoy na to sa Japan. And this one is a storage. Pero babaguhin ko na to, imamount ko na to using this one. And ito naman guys, puti talaga to. And it has discoloration already. And as you can see, dahil sa sewing machine is parang natapis. So, ang ginawa ko is pinalitan ko siya ng wallpaper. So, ito yung ilalagay ko na wallpaper dito sa table na to para makover din yung parang maliit niya na nagbakbak. I got this one for 109 pesos, 110 pesos, parang magano. Wala siyang 120 pesos. Parang kapal niya na and ito yung print niya. Sana napipick up siya. Lalagyan ko yung table and hindi ko alam kung lalagyan ko rin yung shelf para medyo matchy sila. Pero we'll see kung bagay ba or hindi. So, ang tip dito guys, pagkapapalitan nyo yung wallpaper nyo, based on my experience, since makapal naman siya, may mga lines yun. Yung first 3 lines nun is kinot ko muna. Kasi malaki ang chance na yung adhesive niya or yung pandikit mismo ng wallpaper is less yung dikit. Sobrang satisfying nito. And ang pinakamaganda dito guys, since printed siya, hindi siya gaanong kahalata na dalawang strip ng wallpaper yung nilagay ko sa table ko. Pag pinili nyo yung mga plain colors lang, kahit na plain siya, white, ganun, o kaya black, may tendency nakita pa rin, pero very minimal lang din. Pattern siya, tas medyo OC kayo na gusto nyo talagang smooth talaga yung pattern niya. I suggest na hanapin nyo yung pinakamalapit, tsaka nyo siya idikit than cutting it beforehand. Tapos itong ibabaw, hindi naman siya halata, diba? Na ito yung cut niya. Hindi mo siya ganun kahalata, hopefully. But we're gonna proceed with this part naman, the tricky part. So after nun, medyo tricky na yung part kasi ito na yung time na kailangan kong idikit sa mga corners ng table niya. Isang mga nalaman ko na technique, pwede itong i-blower. Kung kunyari yung inyong i-wallpaper is curvy, mag-stick siya or mag-bend siya doon sa mismong hugis na i-wallpaper nyo. Pero in my case, since rectangular lang siya at madali lang naman siya i-cut, I use a cutter, very easy lang din siya. You don't need a lot of pressure para makat agad yung wallpaper. So, ikakat mo lang siya and then yung igigilid ko na itutupi-tupi mo lang pala ka lang nagre-regalo, sis. So, ayan na siya guys. Okay na. And convinced naman ako na maganda siya. So, pati yung shelf. And inisip ko din ko papalitan ko din to. Like, lalagyan ko rin siya ng trimmings. So, yan. Pagtapos na yan, nilipat ko na yung aking table from right to left. So, yun. Ang next naman na naging problema ko is yung mount. Dahil medyo mahirap siyang tanggalin dahil yung pinaka-screw niya is parang nabakbak. Ganon in a way. So, nahirapan talaga ako na tanggalin siya. Okay, so, I have here a little problem. Not little, it's huge. Kasi yung screw nitong nakamount na to for the television, hindi siya natatanggal, sis. Kasi, di ba plus sign siya, na apparently, para siya naging asterisk. Parang nadurog, gano'n. So, hindi ko siya matanggal. And, medyo madami akong ginawang research para magawan ko ng paraan kung paano ba siya alisin. And finally, natanggal ko na siya. I think I solved it. Look, guys. End off. Put it there. Para matwist ko siya. Ayan! Oh my God! Yes! Can you see how stripped this screw is? Oh my God! Ganyan. Ganyan ko siya ginawa. Inikot-ikot ko. Oh, diba? So good! So, ang kailangan mo pala is tinatawag na splice. Splice ba yung tawag doon? Yeah, splice yung tawag doon. And then, ayun nga, along the way of fixing my room, na-realize ko, is as in, pagkatapos ng araw na nilagay ko yung wallpaper ko, guys, kinabukasan sabi ko, I wanna change the color of my wallpaper. I immediately bought a new one. So, people of the earth, mga nanonood, huwag nyo na akong gayahin na dumoble yung gastos ko sa wallpaper. Okay, guys, so look what came in the mail today. It's the lighter shade. And ang kinaganda, look, tingnan nyo mo, pag ganyan, kasi makikita nyo yung difference ng color. This one is, I think, closer siya. Even for my bed, it's closer. Kunin yung wallpaper yung ima-match nyo or match sa furniture nyo. So, kung may cabinet kayo na dark siya, most probably dark siya. Pero kung gusto nyo ng light color, lahat yon kailangan yung palitan. One, two, three. Try.
Only one step ahead of.
So, after nun, sinet up ko na yung aking table. Ang sekreto dito, since gusto ko ng minimalist na table, but at the same time, merong character. Ito yung klase na design na magulo siya kung hindi mo siya aayusin ng maayos. Honestly, looking at it, kung iba-iba siguro yung lalagyanan nun, madumi talaga siya tignan. Kung hindi siya puro wood, o kaya hindi wood yung mga nilabas ko, hindi medyo subtle yung color. Pero in my case, I was able to achieve na less minimal sa table dahil I wanna show a little bit of me, pero cohesive siya sa mismong room ko. And yung mini pegboard ko, guys, yung parang mismong wood filler. Basta yung parang panuknok ba? Isusuktok mo sa pegboards mo. Hindi siya kasya sa mismong butas ng pegboard ko. I bought them na separate sila. So, hindi talaga ako sure kung same sila. Pero luckily, kaya ko naman mag-drill. Is a part of my room because it's very cohesive with the design of my room. So, isang technique yun na kailangan talaga medyo matchy yung room mo sa magiging office mo. What I like about this table is I can do a lot of work in this dahil may open space siya sa gitna. I can do sewing, I can do stationaries, pwede rin ako magsulat dito, and my PC is right beside it. So, very versatile siya, very functional siya in a way. So, that is it, guys. Ito na yung aking bagong office. So, that is it guys. I hope you like this video. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't worry, lahat ng questions nyo regarding the costing, the materials, everything about the room makeover, and also the office, the mini office makeover. Lahat yun guys, ilalapag ko sa next video. Explain ko sa inyo guys on the next video. So, I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye!